When I'm gonna see you, girl? I ain't gonna be here too long. Kinda want you in my world. They don't want me around here too long.
Shit, let's commit, they don't get it, they don't understand me. Really think I'm scared, that's what we gon' see. Tryna live my life, they'll take it for a fee. They don't really get it, they don't understand me.
When I'm gonna see you, girl? I ain't gonna be here too long. Kinda want you in my world.
What's going on? It's your boy AK Travel Man. Yes, we are back. I'm up here at Thika Road Mall, TRM. And to tell you the truth, I've never been up here. I've never eaten up here, but I'm about to meet somebody up here. One of my homegirls. She's from Kenya. She said she was gonna cook for me, but we're gonna meet up here. We're gonna see what's going on, right? So I'm at Java House right now, up in Thika Mall, Thika Mall, something like that. Yeah, TRM, Thika Road Mall. And I'm supposed to be meeting a friend up here. She said she was gonna cook me some chicken biryani, so I'm about to see how that is. I see why they call it Thika Road though, or Thika Road. Everything out here Thika, bro. I'll tell you that. You look beautiful. You look gorgeous. So this is my homegirl. She brought me some food on beef.
Yeah, beef pilau.
Beef pilau. I ain't gonna show you. I'm gonna show y'all later. She did this on her day off. So I appreciate her. So I'm gonna come down here and eat. How can I get you this back? So
I was thinking to get a tattoo here.
saying what? Okay, what is it gonna say? What is it gonna say? What is it gonna be?
A lady in
She want to get a tattoo. Is it not cousin me, or is it because you always?
No, I've usually had the inspo, but now the time, that time I don't have.
Okay.
Because that guy is engraving.
Oh, you know somebody that can get tattooed?
Yeah.
I want to do it. Yeah, I'm gonna get fuck the police right here, cop killer, and then right there. I'm fuck the. I'm joking. I wouldn't see that. You like that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you would like that? I might do it. This lady right here, she made me some food. I cannot wait to go home and eat this. I swear to God, I'm excited. Travel Man. It's the first one. AKA Travel Man. I'm out here in Thika Road. Just came from TRM, Thika Road Mall, but I'm gonna tell you this something. Just had me a little coffee date with this chick. Very beautiful woman, very, very beautiful woman. But so I think I just figured something out here. I'm starting to pick the girls and the women. It's a difference between, like, okay, you meet a woman, right? You got some girls that say you say like, hey, where you want to go? You want to go anywhere? Or even if as a guy you say, hey, let's go meet at Java House, or something like that, right? And most girls say like, no, let's meet at Oyster Bay, which I go there all the time. But most girls want to meet with places where they got shisha, where they got alcohol, where you can get bottles, food. This chick right here was like, no, let's meet at Java House. I said, okay, I ain't okay. And then she brought me some food. She actually cooked. She actually listened to me when we first met. You know what I'm saying? Like, she actually listened to what I had to say. I love food. Food is the way to my heart. Everybody know food is the way to my heart. I love food. Like Sandra, my homegirl, she can cook her ass off. Her ass off. That girl there can cook. Food is the way to my heart. And that's the first thing that she said. She brought me some food. I forgot what the damn, it's not chicken pilau, it's beef something. I forgot what it's called. But I'm about to show you. Thika Road, baby, Thika Road. What's up, G? I'm gonna have to come out here and do a little shopping, G. You don't want to? Yeah, I'm gonna have to come out here and do a little shopping. I'm always trying to go somewhere to do some fucking shopping. You like sugar cane? So at least once or twice a week, I try to drink some of that sugar cane juice. So I ain't gonna lie, I thought this was Thika, like the city. But actually, Thika the city is like another 45 minutes or 30 minutes up north. You gotta pass Ruru or Riru or whatever it's called. Still gotta, I've been up to Ruru or Riru, but I ain't been further than that, so I think I'm gonna go out to Thika Road. I wanted to go out there today, but as you can see, it's about to rain. Yeah, it's about to rain out here, so I be taking boaters everywhere because I ain't got time for that traffic. You'll be in traffic for like 4 hours. I'm about to go down here. Sasa, how you doing? Such good people. Just good energy. How y'all doing? What's up, G? See, I don't be knowing where I be walking to, but I'm just gonna walk. I don't know why I like roads like this. What the fuck kind of road is this? Okay, we can't go that way. Or can I? Nah, we can't go that way. I'm gonna go back to the damn road. If it's nasty, then I'm gonna tell her like, hey, yeah, you gonna have to go ahead and make that U-turn. No, I'm joking. I be bullshitting too much. Liquor stores. She might be wanting to go out tonight. I wanted to take her out tonight. But she's like, no. She got some stuff she gotta do. I got some stuff I gotta do. But tomorrow, I'm meeting up with her. How you doing? Everybody? People be saying Africa, like it's crazy the propaganda that they show you on TV when you back in America versus when you get over here and you see for yourself. It's not what they say, it's not what they show on TV. These big ass papaya. Like this shit look hectic, don't get me wrong. It look hectic on probably on camera. But I'm telling you, it's just it's different than what you think, man. It's people are so cool. I mean, I'm traveling, man. I walk around everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I walk, you biting the hell out that damn corn. I mean that sugar cane. I know last time I was recording, somebody had told me I was in the hood. I was in the what was it called? Kiambu. Somebody had put in one of my messages, on the comments that I was in the hood. I didn't even know it. I mean, I feel safest in the trenches, baby. That's where I went. Ooh. I don't know if this road is busy, but I'm about to walk on it. Like I be telling people, man, what they show, this is what's crazy. A lot of Kenyans be so surprised when us Americans move over here or come over here, and we be surprised that y'all got like, don't get mad at me for saying this, is me being real. We be surprised, even though we got YouTube, we got a whole bunch of YouTubers that came over here, it's still a lot of people back in the States that don't know Africa is built up. They don't know that Kenya is built up, they don't know that. I was one of them people until I got over here. Damn, bro, we need to get some breaks, G. Yeah, they don't know that it's built up like this. And now that I'm over here, and this place is, like even South Africa is built up. Of course, they got a bunch of white folk over there. What's up, bro? Them dreads is dope, G.
You have some good dreads.
Bro, you have some good dreads.
You got some dreads. Oh, you got some too?
Yeah, nigga.
Excuse me, my brother. Hi.
Yo, is this a
I love your hair.
Video? Yo,
I love your
welcome to Kenya. Welcome to Kenya. Yo, welcome to Kenya. Like, subscribe, and share, niggas. Like, subscribe, and share, niggas.
I fuck with the dreads.
Yeah, I fuck with your wrist.
Curls, though. You got the curls, though.
I just undid my hair, bro.
What's your name, G?
Dollar.
Dollar, man. Travel man. Look me up.
Travel man.
Shit, travel man.
Shit.
Yo, we out here with travel
it.
man. Like, subscribe, and share. The best video out in Kenya, bro.
Already.
Come visit Kenya, niggas. Come visit Kenya, brother. Wallahi.
I fuck with y'all.
Have a lovely day.
Yo, if you're
Have a
there at
lovely
night,
day.
come, let's have a party.
I'm gonna come at night, man. Give me your contact.
I got you. I got you on FaceTime, man.
Be smart, be safe, all right?
Stay tuned.
Already, bro. What's going on, G? What's going on? How you doing? You all right? Like that. What's going on, G? See, it's all love, man. They cool. He seem like a cool cat. What's going on, buddy? Yeah, man, they some cool people. Just walk around, man. Like, this gonna be a short vlog. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm just walking around. How y'all doing? Jumbo.
Yeah.
I'm good, I'm good. How you doing today? I'm good. Good. See, it's good people. Everybody got good vibes. Everybody got good energy. I don't know how far we gonna walk. I was supposed to go home already because it's about to rain. I'm about to get on this Thika. I said Thika. On this boda or this picky. But we gonna walk, man. I love me a dark skinned woman, bro. I don't know what it is. So this chick I just met, I thought she was from like Congo, or I thought she was from Sudan, but she's not. She's just Kenyan. And she said everybody think that she's Kenyan, South Sudan or from Congo, because that's what I thought the same thing. But come to find out, yeah, she's Kenyan. Talk to you a little bit about like the difference between living in Kenya and living in America. For me, I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of things, right? Of course, cost of living. We know that cost of living is a little bit. I ain't gonna say a little bit, but the thing is about cost of living over here. You be making, so let's say you make like $7,000 a month, USD, right? But see what the problem is, you come over here to Kenya and everything cheap. A shot of alcohol only costs $6 over here. $5 sometimes. A beer only costs like what? Less than $4 sometimes, $3. So the problem is you start going out every day, or you start buying so much. So it's like, okay, a bottle only costs $150. That's cheap, because in America, you about to pay, especially in like big cities, Atlanta, Georgia, New York, San Diego, Texas, all them places, you're gonna pay some money. So then you start spending, every time you go out, you're getting a shisha, you're getting a bottle, you're getting food, and you look at your bill. You look at your bill, and it's, $110, $120, which is cool because how much stuff you done bought. But then you look at that, you do that 3-4 times a week, you spending damn near the same that you spend in America. You know what I'm saying? And then you justify it by saying like, oh, but I did a lot, I did this, I did that. But your ass don't go broke. Trust me. All right, I don't know what the hell this way, but we gonna turn around. Like I'm gonna die going that way. Like they about to kidnap me. I'm gonna end up in some Mighty Joe Young movie. So that's the problem with living in these places that's cheaper, like Thailand. You go over there, but you spend so much money. You gotta be financially aware, because yeah, you making a lot of money, 7, 8, 9,000 USD a month, but you spending crazy, especially clothes and stuff like that. You gotta be smart. So I'm getting me another bike, bro. When I get over here, for real, I'm getting me another bike. Hey, let me ask you something. Would you be able to drive without no street lights or no street signs? Once this big ass bus get out the way, like they have no street signs, you just figure it out. Like these cars, you got cars going this way, you got cars coming this way, you got cars coming this way. You just drive, you just figure it out. Look at this. This probably look like a one-way street to y'all, but really it's like, you see the cars over there coming on the other side. And you just figure it out. You see, he's just going. They just go. Trucks and everything. Could you do this? See, this is hectic, bro. You just walk past. You just walk. Damn. That girl was beautiful. Tell me that girl was beautiful. She knows she was. Yeah, I'm going to all the way down to Lobby. Drive. You just get on and drive. There's no street lights or nothing. You just drive. No stop signs. I don't know how they don't get into accidents over here. They just drive. I already got in like 20 accidents already. So it's traffic time right now. And if I was to take a vehicle home, I wouldn't get home till tomorrow night. That's why I like taking boaters, but I think it's about to rain and I'm about to get in trouble. Oh, it's about to rain, ain't it? So I think I'm about to get caught in the rain. I'm pretty sure. Don't know, it's wintertime out here in Nairobi, Kenya. So you will get caught in the rain. You'll start out, you seen this morning, it was sunshine, it was feeling good. But now, literally 2.5 hours, 3 hours later, I'm caught in the rain. My body don't do good. I usually don't get sick at all. I don't get sick maybe once a year, maybe once every 2 years. But being caught in the rain like this, I'm pretty sick. I don't like this. But you will get caught in the rain. Make sure you bring a hoodie or umbrella or something. They usually have like on the sticky tickets a little thing that go over. I don't know what my guy decided not to bring his. He got an F on that test. But we ain't too far, man. We ain't too far. Should've just took a vehicle. This dude staying in traffic. Everybody, all the other boat driving. There you go. That's what I'm talking about here, man. That's crazy. Look at me right now. I am drenched from head to toe. I'm about to, I know I'm gonna sick, man. I can't take this here. Wintertime in Nairobi, I'm gonna end up, I gotta spend that in like Europe or something like that. This crazy. They drying their clothes out here, ain't no point. I'm gonna put that on.
They don't want me around here too long.
Shit, let's commit, they don't get it, they don't understand me. Really think I'm scared, that's when we gon' see. Tryna live my life, they'll take it for a fee. They don't really get it, they don't understand me.
When I'm gonna see you